Here are 5 famous websites for search jobs. LinkedIn. Description: LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that allows users to create and maintain a professional profile, connect with colleagues and peers, and discover job opportunities. It's widely used for professional networking, and many companies use it to post job openings. It aggregates job listings from various sources, including company websites and job boards, making it a comprehensive platform for job seekers. Users can search for jobs based on keywords, location, and other criteria.
Indeed,
Glassdoor. Description:
Glassdoor is one of the largest
only
and most
provides
popular job
listings,
search engines,
but also offers company reviews and salary information. Job seekers can gain insights into company culture, read employee reviews, and access salary data to make informed decisions about potential employers. Employers can also post jobs and connect with candidates. Monster. Description: Monster is a global employment website that connects employers with job seekers. It provides a wide range of job listings and also offers resources for career advice, resume building, and job search tips. Employers can post job openings and search for resumes to find potential candidates. CareerBuilder. Description: CareerBuilder is an online job portal that connects job seekers with employers. It offers a variety of tools and resources for job seekers, including a resume builder and career advice. Employers can post job listings and search for candidates through the platform.